Precision is what separates good work from great work, and that's exactly where Woodpeckers Tools stand out. And for 2026, they're back with a fresh lineup focused on tighter accuracy, smarter setups, and smoother workflow. So let's jump in and take a closer look at the tools making waves this year. When you're working on fine joinery, space gets tight, and that's exactly where this tool steps in. The new mini combination square is built specifically for those small, hard-to-reach areas where standard squares simply won't fit, making it an essential addition for detailed woodworking tasks. To make it as versatile as possible, it comes with two interchangeable blades. First, you get a super slim 1/4 inch blade, which is perfect for getting inside tight joinery like dovetails and mortises, where precision matters the most. Then there's a 1/2 inch blade designed for more general use, complete with laser-engraved graduations in both inches and millimeters, so you can switch between measurement systems without any hassle. What really makes this tool stand out is how practical it is across a wide range of tasks. You can use it to check the inside faces of extremely fine joinery, lay out and verify tiny 45-degree miters, or measure the depth of dados, grooves, and rabbets with confidence. At the same time, it's incredibly handy for everyday shop use, whether you're checking edges during machining, verifying corners during assembly, setting up machinery, or even inspecting chisels and plane irons while sharpening. And since it's compact enough to fit right in your pocket, it's one of those tools you'll constantly have on hand. To top it off, it comes with a wall-mountable rack that neatly stores the square and its alternate blade, keeping everything organized and always within reach. Right from the moment you pick it up, you can tell this inspection square is built differently. It has a solid, reassuring weight that immediately gives you confidence. But there's far more going on here than just mass. This tool is all about precision engineering and consistency. At the heart of the inspection square is a one-piece central core. That means the accuracy isn't dependent on assembly or adjustment later on. It's machined directly into the core using state-of-the-art CNC milling centers. After machining, it's verified using an optical inspection system, ensuring extremely tight tolerances right from the start. On either side of this central core, stainless steel scales are carefully aligned using precision-fit pins, creating a perfectly balanced sandwich structure. Everything is then secured with stainless steel machine screws, locking the entire assembly into a rigid and stable form that resists movement or distortion over time. The final result is a square that's guaranteed accurate within 1/1000th of an inch over the length of the blade, which is incredibly precise, roughly 1/3 the thickness of a human hair. That level of accuracy makes it ideal for inspection work where even the smallest deviation matters. To further improve usability, the edges of the blade are beveled to an almost but not quite sharp edge. This detail allows for extremely precise contact when checking surfaces without being overly aggressive or unsafe. Whether you're checking your table saw blade alignment, inspecting your work during assembly, or verifying machining results, this tool gives you consistent, reliable feedback. And just like many Woodpeckers tools, it comes with a wall-mountable bracket, so you can keep it visible, protected, and always ready to go when you need it. Flattening large slabs or dealing with highly figured wood can be a real challenge, especially when a planer starts tearing out grain instead of smoothing it. That's exactly where these Ultra-Shear Carbide-tipped Spoilboard bits come into play, offering a much cleaner and more controlled solution. Unlike a planer, which cuts across the grain and can lift fibers, these bits cut parallel to the board surface. This cutting action significantly reduces tear out and prevents grain lifting, making them perfect for working with difficult materials like burls, grain switchbacks, quilting, or natural edge slabs. These bits are available in multiple sizes to suit different setups and project scales. You can choose from 1 inch, 1 1/4 inch, 1 1/2 inch, and 2 inch diameters, with larger options featuring a 1/2 inch shank and a smaller 1 inch version available with a 1/4 inch shank. That smaller option is especially useful because it works with cordless palm routers, opening up the possibility of surfacing projects even in smaller shops without a full-sized planer. Originally, Spoilboard bits were designed for CNC machines to flatten sacrificial boards perfectly in line with the machine's gantry. However, woodworkers have adopted them for a wide range of applications, from flattening oversized glue-ups to working on live-edge slabs that simply won't fit through a planer. What makes them even more appealing is the quality of the finish they leave behind. In most cases, after surfacing, the wood only needs light sanding to be ready for the next step, saving both time and effort. If you're looking to add both function and style to your cutting boards, these V-groove finger grip bits make that process incredibly simple and consistent. Instead of struggling to shape grips manually, these bits create a clean, professional-looking groove with minimal effort. They're designed to cut a V-shaped groove along any edge, whether it's straight or curved. Thanks to the built-in ball-bearing pilot, the depth of the cut stays consistent throughout, ensuring smooth and even results on both inside and outside curves, as well as straight edges. Woodpeckers offers 3 different sizes, covering a wide range of board thicknesses, from 3/4 up to over 2 inches. Interestingly, there's some overlap between the sizes, which gives you more flexibility when choosing the exact groove profile that best matches your design. The largest bit stands out even more because it includes 3 interchangeable bearings. This allows you to adjust the cutting height to 13/16, 9/16, or 7/16 using the same bit, essentially giving you multiple profiles without needing multiple tools. For woodworkers who already appreciated the original set, this completer set expands the lineup in a meaningful way by filling in all the missing sizes. It includes 5 additional chisels, 1/8, 3/8, 5/8, 1 1/4, and 1½ inches, along with a matching 5-position racket system to keep everything organized and ready to use. What really makes these chisels stand out is the combination of premium blade craftsmanship and thoughtful handle design. The blades come from Blue Spruce Tool Works and are made from A2 tool steel that's double-tempered and cryogenically treated for enhanced durability and edge retention. They're then ground and polished to a mirror finish, resulting in backs that are perfectly flat and bevels that are surgically sharp right out of the box. The handles are just as impressive. Machined from aircraft-grade aluminum, they feature an octagonal profile that gives you excellent tactile control while also preventing the tool from rolling off your bench. The design feels natural in your hand, whether you're doing delicate paring work or applying force with a mallet. There's also a smart mechanical feature built in. The handle can be removed in seconds by unthreading the stainless steel ferrule and loosening a set screw. This makes sharpening easier and also gives you the flexibility to swap in custom handles if you prefer. To improve comfort during heavy use, a buffer between the butt cap and the handle reduces vibration while still transferring maximum force to the cutting edge. Altogether, it's a carefully engineered system that blends comfort, durability, and precision. Setting precise angles on your tools and machines can sometimes feel like a guessing game, but these stainless steel gauge blocks remove that uncertainty and make the process much more straightforward. You get a pair of compact, highly accurate blocks. One provides reference angles of 45 degrees and 90 degrees, while the other includes 30, 60, and 90 degrees. Both are machined and inspected within plus or minus 0.0085 degrees, giving you a very high level of accuracy for setup and verification tasks. In addition to angle references, the blocks are also designed for practical measurement tasks. The edges feature scales in both inches and metric, allowing you to set cutting depths on saw blades, router bits, or drill bits without needing an extra measuring tool. Their size is another big advantage. They're compact enough to fit right next to blades, bits, fences, and guards without interfering with your setup, making them ideal for real-world shop use. Whether you're setting up a table saw, adjusting a bandsaw table, or checking the angles of smaller projects like drawers or boxes, these blocks provide a quick and reliable reference. Every woodworking project starts with layout, and the more precise that layout is, the better your final result will be. This wheel marking gauge is designed to make that first step as accurate and consistent as possible. Instead of scratching a line like traditional marking gauges, it uses a razor-sharp circular blade that actually slices the wood fibers. This creates a crisp, clean line that's much thinner than a pencil mark, and more importantly, it provides a physical guide for your chisel or saw to follow. The large stainless steel reference plate plays a key role in stability. It's more than twice the size of what you'd find on most similar tools, helping you stay aligned along the edge of your workpiece. It also features 2 mounting positions, so you can adjust it depending on whether you need more horizontal or vertical support. Fine adjustments are handled by a micro-adjustment system that's both smooth and precise. With a simple turn of the adjustment barrel, you can make extremely small changes down to less than the thickness of 2 sheets of paper, giving you full control over your layout. Combined with its ergonomic anodized aluminum body and thoughtful grip design, this tool makes precision layout not just easier, but far more reliable.
Transferring layout lines across corners is one of those tasks that sounds simple, but in practice, it can be frustratingly difficult to get perfect. This folding saddle square solves that problem with a clever and highly precise design. Think of it as a straight edge that just happens to fold. The hinge in the middle allows the tool to wrap around corners, letting you carry layout lines seamlessly from one face to another without losing alignment. What makes this tool truly unique is how it's manufactured. After the individual parts are machined and assembled, the entire unit goes back to the CNC machine for a final pass. This ensures that both edges are perfectly aligned in the same plane, even across the hinge. The hinge itself is carefully tensioned to eliminate any side-to-side play, while still allowing smooth movement. That means once you set it in place, it stays accurate and consistent throughout use. Made from stainless steel, it's also built to last, maintaining both its precision and appearance over time. It's a simple concept, but executed at a very high level. This is not your typical combination square. It's a refined, feature-rich version of a classic tool designed for precision and flexibility. The stainless steel head immediately stands out, not just because of its durability, but because of its carefully finished surfaces. Different areas feature different finishes, from mirror-polished edges to satin-textured recesses, making it easier to see and align against your work. What really makes this tool innovative lies in the Indexable system. Unlike traditional squares, this one allows you to reference from any full inch mark on the blade. Built-in scribing guides work with a wide range of marking tools, adding even more versatility. There's also a retractable support feature that helps stabilize the square when working along edges, but can be tucked away when you need full access. As an added bonus, this is a limited annual release, made to order and engraved with its manufacturing date, making it as collectible as it is functional. Setting up a perfect dado joint can be time-consuming, especially when you're constantly adjusting and testing inside the table saw. This system changes that completely by moving the setup process outside the machine. It starts with the gap gauge, which you use to match the exact width of the material that will fit into the dado. This gives you a precise reference point right from the beginning. From there, the dado setup fixture allows you to assemble your dado stack, chippers and shims included, outside the saw. The fixture holds everything securely using a large knurled knob that mimics the arbor nut on your saw. You can then compare the assembled stack directly against the gap gauge, making adjustments until it's a perfect fit. Once everything is dialed in, you simply transfer the setup to your table saw and you're ready to cut. This approach eliminates trial and error, saves time, and ensures consistent and accurate results every time. Measuring longer distances accurately can be tricky, especially when dealing with inside and outside dimensions. Calzilla solves that problem by transforming a standard Woodpecker's rule into a powerful measuring system. By attaching caliper-style jaws to the rule, you can measure distances up to 46 inches with much greater precision and confidence. The fixed jaw is mounted exactly at the 0 point of the rule, thanks to pre-machined threaded holes that ensure perfect alignment. The sliding jaw moves smoothly along the rule using low-friction glide strips, while a locking mechanism secures it firmly in place without damaging the surface. In addition to standard measurements, Calzilla includes attachments for measuring whole center-to-center distances, making it incredibly useful for layout work and repeatable setups. It's a simple upgrade, but one that adds a huge amount of functionality. Traditional box joint jigs can feel limiting, but the adjusted joint box joint sled opens up a whole new level of flexibility and creativity. Instead of fixed spacing, it uses a system of 62 steel spacers, each 1/8 inch thick. You can arrange these spacers in any pattern you want, allowing you to create unique combinations of pins and sockets, whether that means symmetrical designs, gradual changes, or completely random patterns. Once you've created your template, producing the matching joint is as simple as rotating it 180 degrees and repeating the process. The sled itself is engineered for accuracy and consistency. A patented leaf spring miter bar adapts to variations in miter slots, ensuring a smooth and stable ride even in worn or imperfect tables. At the same time, the workpiece stays clamped to a vertical table, so everything moves together as one unit during cutting. This improves both safety and repeatability, while low-friction bushings keep movement smooth. And as likely many setups, you don't need a Dado blade. Standard rip blades work just fine, making it more accessible for a wider range of users.
Assembly work often demands controlled striking rather than brute force, and that challenge led to the Woodpeckers Polycarbonate Mallets. Instead of metal or rubber, Woodpeckers engineers chose polycarbonate, the same thermoplastic used to protect fighter jet pilots since the 1960s. This material deforms slightly on impact without shattering, which makes it far more forgiving than a steel hammer, yet far more controlled than rubber mallets that tend to bounce. The density of polycarbonate packs impressive striking power into a compact head, while the balanced design keeps the tool comfortable in the hand and allows accurate placement of each strike. The heads come from CNC-turned solid polycarbonate in clear or black, purely a cosmetic choice. The handles use aircraft-grade aluminum finished in the signature Woodpeckers red, and inside the tool, a ribbed steel tenon runs nearly the full length of the mallet. Once epoxied together, the three components form a single solid tool that delivers controlled power exactly where it is needed.
And that's a wrap on some of the most exciting Woodpeckers tools coming in 2026. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tool reviews and shop upgrades.